I'm Dr. Kristen R. Bromley. This video series, which is part of my online music academy, specifically accompanies Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 from my Method Book series. Like all my books, this selection is available to purchase through Amazon and Google Play. For help, see the links in the description below. In the videos which are part of this specific course, I progress through the lessons in Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2, explaining and demonstrating concepts and playing each of the songs and exercises contained therein, so you can hear how they sound and play them right along with me. You are of course welcome to view these videos with or without the book, but with the book you can work through all the songs and exercises, and in the process learn all the various types of chords used to play music on the guitar and master your chord playing abilities. Alright, let's get to jamming in this lesson. Hi there, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Guitar is what I do, music is what I do as a profession. I'm so delighted to have you here joining me in this method series and online academy. This is a fun place to learn to play guitar right along with me. I've taught thousands of students and have years and years of playing experience, composing experience, and so on. So this is a good place for you to be, and I'm sure that I can help you out. In this method series, I've sort of taken from years of teaching courses at the collegiate level and also a lot of private lessons and helping students from very young ages all the way through being senior citizens even, and learning to play the guitar. So this is a great step-by-step method, and we're going to have a great time learning. Maybe you're coming to me brand new. You've never actually played guitar before. You're okay. We're going to start from ground zero. If you start with the introduction, how to hold the guitar, how to tune the guitar, how to hold the pick, and then proceed on through each lesson in numerical order. We got you covered. You're going to learn how to play the guitar. If you're returning to the guitar you've played before and you want to learn more, there might be lessons that you want to skip to and learn what you want to learn from them. They also can be very beneficial to go through, starting with lesson 1 and go through all those lessons, playing right along with me. One of the best ways to get better at guitar is playing right along with professionals on songs and exercises. And you may fill in some gaps along the way. As I was somewhat self-taught and had various teachers that helped me learn things, there are always little gaps that I sort of picked up new information from as I proceeded through different band teachers, choir teachers that were teaching a little bit of guitar, ultimately to professional guitarists who showed me some things besides my own exploration of learning the guitar. We're going to cover in this particular book, Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2, basically all the types of chords that get played on guitar, and play them in context with songs and sort of ways that we actually use them in various types of music. So this is a great place to be. If you've played before and you want to get better, then playing through from lesson 1, you're going to probably pick up things along the way. If you're brand new, then playing through from the introduction and lesson 1, you're going to learn basically from ground zero how to play the guitar. In particular, how to play chords on the guitar. If you're really interested in playing notes and things written in tablature, then you should explore those parts of the method series as well in separate books that also have online play-along lessons that accompany them. So, in this book, we will cover all the first position or basic chords and how to strum with those chords, how to finger pluck the guitar with those chords. We get into various types of strumming patterns, flat picking, and sort of more pop contemporary like double time feel, other types of time signatures than our normal one, and all sorts of things. We also cover movable chords like bar chords. As well as power chords like rock chords. This book is going to cover 7th chords and jazz type chords, jazz type progressions and strumming patterns. It'll cover alternate tunings. Basically, in this book, we're covering all the types of chords that get used on the guitar, as well as the strumming and finger plucking techniques that get used to play various styles of music. It's very detailed. It covers all you want. If you want more than what's offered in this book, you'll want to go on to book 3, where we sort of unlock the mystery of the neck of the guitar and the various ways we can play different types of chords on the neck. Because there's multiple ways one could play, for example, a D chord. getting even far more advanced than that. I just played ones that are actually covered in this book. Now, use the method series as you like. Every single lesson starts out with a little bit of theory explaining the chords and how they work theoretically in music. You can skip that if you don't want that. Then I demonstrate how to play the particular chords we're talking about on the guitar. And then I go through all the exercises in that given lesson, the songs and exercises, and I play through them and sort of coach you through them and give pointers and so on. And you can play right along with me. I suggest that you do play along with me. That's one of the benefits that my students have who take classes and private lessons from me, is that they get to play right along with me. So in this method series, sort of taking that and put it to these videos so that you can get that experience of having a class with me or a private lesson at a fraction of the cost. The other thing, though, is you can rewind and go back. Some of these lessons are also very detailed, and I don't skip around so much, especially through the back part of the book. There's a lot of information, a lot of challenging chords, and a lot of material to cover that might just be too much for you, and that's okay. Just use it in the way that works for you. One of the benefits to these lessons here is that I can go into more detail than I can in the classroom, where we have like 45 to 50 minutes to play music together, and we're covering note reading, we're covering tablature, we're covering different types of techniques and how to play chords. So there's only a little bit of time. I can only introduce those students sometimes into the various techniques, and it's up to them to actually practice them on their own. Here in the Guitar Academy that's online, I take the time to go through in the method series and play each of those exercises so that you, from home or from wherever you're doing this from, can play right along with me and get the instruction I would give if I was playing and taking students through every single exercise in a lesson, which I never have time to do in a lesson or a class. So that's one benefit. Use it to your advantage, however works best for you. Some of these lessons may have more information than you actually want, or more practice progressions than you want, and that's okay. You can use the method series in the way that you would like. At the end of the book, there's sort of progress sheets. You can get cheap little stickers and mark yourself off as you've learned each song or each exercise. That's a great and fun way to sort of track your progress. Besides working with me on the different exercises and songs that are covered in the book, it's a really great idea to go exploring. Use Google or whatever search engine you like and find songs and the chords that go with those songs. Play along, learn the songs of your favorite artists. Make sure that you're having fun. It's the most important thing with the guitar, is to be sure you're having fun. And also make this method book and the online video lessons work for you. Go at your pace. Make sure you're having fun. I really wish you the best as you're learning to play the guitar. I'm delighted to be there with you, and I'll see you in the lessons. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. For help with other guitar playing skills, check out more of my method books and the numerous lessons available as part of my online academy here on YouTube. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.